And so the Sahaba radiallahu anhum ajma'een left out of the Hijaz area, left the Arabian Peninsula and spread out in different directions. And the majority of them died outside of the Hijaz area. And it is recorded that Uqba ibn Nafi' radiallahu an, one of the Sahaba, rode across North Africa in the spreading and defense of Islam, rode his horse into the Atlantic and looked across and said, if I knew there were lands across you, I would take these lands for Allah. I would spread the message of Islam in that direction. Approximately 711, Tariq ibn Ziyad rahimahullah crossed the straits, what we call Gibraltar, and Muslims entered in, liberating the land from tyranny, entered into the land and stayed there for almost 781 years. And Tariq landed on the Jebel Tariq, that is known to us today as Gibraltar. The Muslims brought along with them civilization, because Islam not only deals with the theoretical aspects of life, but also the practical aspects. And so they found the land fair seeming for the planting of citrus fruits. And they planted lemons and grapefruits and limes and oranges, and the word in Arabic for orange is burtaqal. Ard al-Burtaqal, it was like the land of the oranges, it grew so well, and Burtaqal became Portugal. They went to the north in the Russian states and they found a land that you needed to have a lot of sabr, a lot of patience to live in this land. And so it became Ard al-Sabr, Sabriya, and this we know today as Siberia. They went south, down past the Red Sea, into the ocean on East Africa. And they found that the Persians had had a base in East Africa, and they called it Maq'ad al-Shah, and now we know it as Mogadishu. Musa ibn Baig, rahimahullah, founded a base on the East African coast, and so Musa ibn Baig's place is known as Mozambique. They went into the ocean and they found the wind blowing, and they found rain coming in large numbers. So this mosim of rain, or season of rain, became the monsoons. They went into the Pacific, and contrary to the little bit of knowledge that we understand about our own presence in this part of the world, Muslims went into the Pacific Ocean during the Umayyad period. And that we trace as that within 100 years after the death of the Prophet ﷺ, they went into that region and they found a set of islands, and it was a windy area. So he said Juzul al-Hawa, there's a lot of hawa, air, wind. And so Juzul al-Hawa becomes Hawaii. They traveled to parts of the world that you may not be aware of.